What's the meaning of convalescence? Convalescence. Convalescence.
Convalescence. Convalescence. Convalescence refers to the gradual and steady recovery process that follows an illness or injury. During this time, the body is healing and regaining strength. The length of convalescence can vary depending on the severity of the illness or injury and the overall health of the individual. It is important to allow enough time for proper convalescence to prevent relapse or further complications. Through rest, proper nutrition, and medical care, patients are able to fully recover and return to their normal activities and daily routines. In short, convalescence allows the body to heal and regain its strength after a period of illness or injury.